Hey everybody, this is Igor Lumertz from PCH Dent Repair, and I'm here today to show you the process of this dent removal all the way from pricing to finish on this beautiful truck right here. Take two pictures at a 45-degree angle for a free estimate. We are going to measure the damage. That's the soft part right there, and that's the deep spot. Scanning the VIN number, we are going to enter to our Mobile Tech RX software. We are going to select the tailgate, 3-inch dent, median depth, and we are going to look for the price for removing and installing the panel so we can access the damage. That's it right there, $20 for removing and installing. Adding a picture to the estimate. And here I'm going to show you how you are going to receive your estimate. This is what it's gonna look like. And this is the process for removing the dent. Slowly massaging, pushing the dent out. You can see it's really deep, sharp. Adding a mini light so I can see the center of the damage. I cut a lot of parts of this video and I also put it in fast forward so it doesn't get too boring. But you can see how much work is involved on the repair. Tapping the dent back in, pushing the dent back out. Always paying attention to all the details. You can really see how much metal moves when I tap the dent back down and I push the dent back up. Right here, finishing the details, all done, all paintless dent removal. This is before, and this is after. All done on the same day, no painting. This is me putting the panel back together. For a free estimate, please text us a picture of the damaged area to 760-522-3101. And thanks for watching.